Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Wolf. We're going to learn how to find weather.com for our weather report. First you need to find Google Chrome that looks like this and click on it. This brings us to a page. It might look different than mine, but what you need to do is go up into the top in the search bar and click and type in weather.com. weather.com and press enter. This brings us to the Weather Channel's website. Once we're there, we first need to search for our city. Click in the blue box and type in Lebanon, Lebanon. This brings up a list of different Lebanons. We want the one that says Lebanon, PA. Remember, PA is an abbreviation for Pennsylvania. Click on that. This brings us the current weather for that day in Lebanon. We will be working with the options today and hourly in the blue box. Scroll down until you see weather today in Lebanon, PA. This tells us the temperature outside. It tells us the high and the low, the wind speed for that particular day. If you keep scrolling down, there's an option that says radar with a map. This is a great tool to use for predictions in your weather report. Scroll back up to the top in the blue bar and find the option that says hourly. Click on hourly. Hourly tells us what's happening each hour, how the temperature changes, what it feels like, if there's any precipitation, and the wind speed. This is another great tool for predicting in your weather report. This is how we find the Weather Channel and weather.com to use in our weather report.